Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong May 2026, monthly reading. So this is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Virgo, let's see energies ng May for you. Ngayong, okay, relationship healing. Oh, you are healing from your past. Or kung ano man yung mga challenges sa inyong connection, no? If you are connecting with someone right now, pwede rin kasi itong romantic, pwedeng sa family, sa friends, ayan. You are healing from that. And then you are healing your inner child. Okay? Pwede kasing this is a relationship with your parent, no, na you feel na hindi mo na-experience yung mga gusto mo ng bata ka, na ma-experience from your parents or kung paano ka nila pinalaki. Now you're healing that. You're healing your inner child. Oh, letting go. Makes sense. You are letting go of the things that are no longer serving your highest good. Maaring may pagpapatawad rin dito, no? Forgiveness doon sa mga taong nag-fail sa'yo nung bata ka. Na, minsan kasi nung bata tayo, hindi tayo ganun ka-aware na, ito pala, suffering na pala to, or ito pala, ay dapat hindi ko nararanasan, but nare-realize lang natin yan as we grow older. So, yun, I think you are healing that within you, na na-realize mo na it's time to let that go, patawarin kung sino yung dapat mong patawarin. Overall energy, you have the Knight of Wands. You are excited. Excited to do the things that you want to do. Finally, meron kang kakayanan ngayon na mag-decide para sa sarili mo. This can also mean taking a risk. Oo. So, ngayong May, there's a fire in you na gusto mo talagang gawin, i-pursue. So, make it happen. Oo, lalo na si Mars. Mars is in Aries right now, and a lot of planets in Aries right now. Your challenge is the Three of Wands. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, medyo may hesitations pagdating sa pag-explore ng ibang bagay na uh, outside of your comfort zone. So, ito nga yung time to go on an adventure kasi luck is on your side. Kumbaga may swerte rito. Example, gusto mong mag-resign sa work mo na alam mong hindi ka na masaya dyan, you're not earning the same, na parang hindi mo na nakukuha yung gusto mo. So, it's time to explore, try new career or another company. Maraming opportunities, okay? Now, your opportunity, the Justice card, this is about bringing balance in your life. And I think you have the opportunity to finally choose what's best for you. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity, kaliwanagan. Ano yung makakabuti for you moving forward. You also have the opportunity to decide para sa sarili mo. Pwede kasing dati lagi mong inaasa sa iba or parang someone is in control of your decisions. Ngayon, you now have the freedom to decide para sa sarili mo moving forward. Now, your blessing is the Two of Wands. So, this is partnership, planning, and change. Kumbaga, yung nasimulan mo, nakikita mo na yung unti-unti yung resulta na parang, halimbawa, nagtanim ka ngayon, nakikita mo umuusbong na. So, yun ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng spark. Yun ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng determination to keep pushing forward or keep moving forward. And also, no, tinan nyo, meron ditong the Magician. This is also your energy. You are stepping into your own power. Meron kang ma-accomplish na abilities. May ma-acquire ka na abilities. Pwedeng may studies, no? Pag-aaralan, research that will really align to your goals. What else for Virgo? Okay. Meron ditong naglilimit ng freedom mo, and I think isa ito sa tatanggalin mo sa buhay mo, yung limitations na yan. Kasi puwedeng ikaw rin yung nagbigay ng limitation na, "Ay, hanggang dito lang ako." But you will realize na, teka, you can move further, you can advance, you can progress, you can elevate, you can improve. Oh, so meron yung iba sa inyo, if there are some issues within the court, no, maaring magkakaroon 'to ng decision ngayon, ngayong May. May matutuklasan ka or malalaman ka na katotohanan, oo, for some of you. And yun nga, kung may hinihintay kang desisyon, court order or court case, meron na 'tong, meron na 'tong desisyon or resulta. Yeah, you are breaking free. Youth energy, ayan, mutable. You are trying new things, Virgo. Kasi kung dati parang may mga takot ka, no, to explore, ngayong May, you will have more opportunities to step out of your comfort zone. You can you can radically change your results by shifting your beliefs. Ayan. So, ngayon, may pagbabago ka rin ng belief system. Nare-realize mo na may yung mga belief system mo, pwedeng yun yung nagbo-block sa'yo or naglilimita sa'yo in accomplishing more. Okay? So now you are shifting your beliefs para hindi ka na malimitahan doon sa mga bagay na gusto mong gawin or gusto mo pang ma-achieve sa buhay. What else for Virgo? Okay, you have the ninth house of learning, and then Cancerian energy, South Node. Okay, I see na meron ditong pagre-revisit sa past mo. Pwedeng ito yung part ng letting go, ito yung part ng healing, ito yung part ng healing your inner child. Um, dahil may freedom na for you eh. The ninth house is expansion, exploration. Some of you meron ditong bagong belief system or kaalaman na mas palalawigin nyo yung understanding nyo doon. Some of you are learning, like literal, mag-aaral, pwedeng kayo yung mag-expand ng knowledge nyo. Like, for example, from bachelor's degree to MBA to doctorate, ganyan. Accomplishing new abilities na yung kumbaga hindi mo siya binigyan ng focus before, but now you feel na you need to nurture and take care of that kasi yun talaga yung passion mo, yun talaga yung gusto mo, and wala na yung makakapigil sa'yo this time, okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.